गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। कल मैं आपको बताया था एसिड का डिफिनीशन बताया था, इंडिकेटर बताया था। आज मैं बताऊंगा आपको ऑल्फैक्टरी इंडिकेटर। व्हाट इज ऑल्फैक्टरी इंडिकेटर? द सब्सटेंस व्हिच ऑर्डर चेंजेस इन एसिडिक और बेसिक मीडियम। उसका ऑर्डर और स्मेल, ऑर्डर का मतलब स्मेल, चेंजेस इन एसिडिक and basic medium are called olfactory indicator. The substance which order changes in acidic or basic medium are called olfactory indicator. Okay. Examples are onion. Example होगा onion, vanilla, clove, लौंग। ये सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं आपका ऑल्फैक्टरी इंडिकेटर का। ओके, अब हम आएंगे टॉपिक्स स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड एंड वीक एसिड। What is a strong acid? The substance which is completely ionizes and produces more amount of hydrogen ions are called strong acid. Strong acid the substance which is completely ionizes and produces more hydrogen ion are called strong acid. What are the example of strong acid? Concentrated acid, strong acid. Examples: sulfuric acid, H2SO4, nitric acid, HNO3, hydrochloric acid, HCl. These are the strong acid. All mineral acids are a strong acid except carbonic acid. Weak acid. What is weak acid? The acid which is partially ionized and produces less amount of hydrogen ion are called weak acid. The acid which is partially ionizes and produces less amount of hydrogen ion are called weak acid. All organic acids are weak acid. Examples are formic acid. Chemical formula is HCOH, formic acid. Acetic acid, CH3COH, acetic acid. Oxalic acid, this is oxalic acid formula, C2H2O4. Chemical formula is C2H2O4. This is chemical formula. This is the structure of oxalic acid. Okay. Lactic acid, Also lactic acid, also weak acid. Citric acid, it is a weak acid. Okay. Now, what is dilute acid and concentrated acid? Dilute acid and concentrated acid. Dilute acid का मतलब क्या? Acid contain more amount of water and less amount of acids are called dilute acid. Concentrated acid means that they contains high amount of acid and less amount of water is known as concentrated acid. Okay, dilute acid, the acid contain more amount of water, and less amount of acid. Acid are called dilute acid. Dilute acid. जब एसिड का डाइल्यूशन करते हैं ना, जब एसिड का हम डाइल्यूशन करते हैं, कंसंट्रेटेड को डाइल्यूट करते हैं, कंसंट्रेटेड से लैब में जो एसिड आते हैं आपको कंसंट्रेटेड फॉर्म में आता है, कंसंट्रेटेड वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड रहता है और उसको डाइल्यूट करते हैं तो फिर वाटर लेते हैं बीकर में, स्लोली धीरे धीरे उसमें ड्रॉप वाइट कंसंट्रेटेड एसिड डालते हैं और ग्लास रॉड से स्टाइलिंग करते रहते हैं, क्योंकि ये रिएक्शन जो होता है हाईली एक्जोथर्मिक, इतना हीट प्रोड्यूस होता है कि जो ग्लास एपरेटस भी टूट जाएगा और आपका हाथ पैर भी चल जाएगा। इसलिए एसिड को डाइल्यूशन करने के लिए वेरी हम प्रिकॉशन के साथ करते हैं और स्लोली एसिड डालते हैं वाटर में एसिड डालते हैं और अगर हम एसिड में वाटर डालेंगे तो डेंजरस हो जाएगा, एसिड जो एक्सप्रेस आउट करके निकल जाएगा और हमारा हाथ पैर और चल जाएगा। इसलिए डाइल्यूशन ऑफ एसिड्स, the water acid is added to water, not water to acid. Okay. Examples, dilute के लिए short form में DIL लिख सकते हैं, dilute hydrochloric acid, DIL dilute sulfuric acid, DIL dilute H2SO4, dilute nitric acid. Okay. Now concentrated acid. Concentrated acid. What is concentrated acid? The acid contains more amount of acid and less amount of water. The acid contains more amount of acid and less amount of water are called concentrated acid. Okay. Concentrated acid को हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म में CONC लिखते हैं, CONC CONC H2SO4, इसको हम करेंगे कंसंट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. ओके, CONC HCl हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, CONC nitric acid. Okay, these are the definition of dilute acid and concentrated acid. Now come to the next topics. What are the properties of acid? Properties of acid. First property is it is sour in taste. It is sour in taste. Second, it produces H plus ion in water. Okay, वाटर में H plus ion produce करते हैं. Okay. Third is it turns blue litmus into red. ब्लू लिटमस को रेड कर देगा. और it is good conductor of electricity. It conducts electricity. It's aqueous solution. Solution conduct electricity. Okay. It does not change the color of turmeric. Turmeric की कलर को चेंज नहीं करेगा. Okay. It changes methyl orange into red. Okay, these are the properties of acid. Okay, now come to the next point. What is base? The substance base are generally bitter in taste. Okay, the substance which produces hydroxide ion in water, आयनाइज करके OH minus ion produce करता है, तो ऐसे substance को हम base बोलते हैं. The substance which is bitter in taste, bitter माने कड़वा, bitter in taste and produces hydroxide ion OH minus hydroxide ion in water are called base. Okay, examples of base are sodium hydroxide NaOH. Sodium hydroxide is NaOH. Potassium hydroxide KOH. Magnesium hydroxide MgOH2, MgOH whole twice, magnesium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. Okay. What is a strong base and weak base? What are the effect of litmus paper on base? Base turns red litmus paper into blue, but does not change the color of blue litmus paper. Blue litmus paper अगर बेस में डालेंगे तो उसका कलर ब्लू का ब्लू ही रहेगा, लेकिन अगर रेड लिटमस पेपर हम बेस में डालते हैं तो उसका कलर रेड से ब्लू में चेंज हो जाता है. ओके. और बेस में जो है सिंथेटिक इंडिकेटर, बेस में अगर नेचुरल इंडिकेटर, अगर हम चाइना रोज इंडिकेटर डालेंगे तो उस कलर जो है उसका ग्रीन कलर में चेंज हो जाएगा बेस में. अगर बेस में फेनोल्फथालीन सॉल्यूशन ड्रॉप बाय डालेंगे तो उसका कलर जो है चेंजेस इनटू पिंक. strong base and weak base. A strong base are those bases which produces more amount of hydroxide, which are completely ionizes and produces more hydroxide ion, are called strong base. Examples are all alkali metal hydroxides are strong base. Alkali metal group first element is called alkali metals. In periodic table, group first element lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. These are the element of group first elements. These are also called alkali metals because these metals hydroxide oxides dissolve in water to produce metal hydroxide, which is water soluble, which is insoluble in water. Water soluble base are known as alkali. Strong base, the base which is completely ionized, ionizes and produces more hydroxide ion are called strong base. Okay, examples are strong base: sodium hydroxide, formula is NaOH, potassium hydroxide, KOH, lithium hydroxide, KOH, LiOH, lithium hydroxide. Okay, cesium hydroxide, CSOH, cesium hydroxide. Okay, these alkali metal hydroxides are a strong base. Weak base. What is weak base? The base which is partially hydrolyzes and produces less amount of hydroxide ion are called weak base. The base which is partially hydrolyzes, partially ionizes and produces less OH minus ion are called weak base. Examples are calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. These are weak base. Okay, फिर आज इतना ही, कल नेक्स्ट क्लास में फिर मैं आगे टॉपिक्स बताऊंगा. ओके, थैंक यू.